guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
You know what? I see wake up this morning. I see Kate do live video. You know what? It's been a problem. And sometimes when I would fight to myself all the time, they say fight. When I fight, not the grief finish. I see a video that Lolo did. Maybe it's last night. I think it's last night. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's last night. Then I see the video where Lolo said that even if Kate is not good, Kate still try for the house. Say it can take 5 years for Kate to do that house, to build that house. And this morning now, I saw a video that Kate do. Kate called the call Lolo name. Sometimes self, if you not dey fight sometimes, once you see somebody when be say she can help una for fight sometimes. If you want to saga person when you dey saga, sometimes you still remove that person you know me now. If you beat me now, if I want to beat you, I'll beat you. Where you feel still take good, I'll come still talk. And even if I know say you bad, I no go bring and come talk. What Kate did yesterday, I know people will be blaming Monica now. Monica, why did you do this? Monica, why did you do that? It's saga. You know what, Kate? Anything you bring online, did you see this my house now? This house that you see now. Somebody just write that Holland and Germany have the same window also. When you put something online, with the blogger, we must see something bad to take out of those things that you put online. You must see something bad carry come out. You don't expect your opponent that you guys are doing saga together. You don't expect that person to see something on your show. The person will bring it out, will use it to praise you. Yesterday, I slept yesterday. I wake up in the night. I went to go and ease myself. Returning back to my bed, I just say, let me pick my phone. You know, you must touch phone before you sleep the second time again. I saw Monica on live. I said, oh my God, this night, this woman day live. Yesterday, I laugh. You know what thing? Kate, as far as say this Facebook, you know good again. You're not supposed to they show something. If you want show the one way you find. The one way no find, no show one. At the end of the day, the one way you find, they'll call use and take spoiler. Yesterday, oh my God. Yesterday, oh my God, the people you tried. Monica see yesterday, yesterday Monica get chance. Monica, do you know that, Kate? Do you know that Monica took your house to the river and washed it the way they wash Akbu? He washed that house the way they wash Santana. She fitted that house yesterday. She fitted her. My sister, you're not supposed to show those house. You're not even supposed to show her. That place where you just they sit down and they do video, you just suppose, you know, see another so you not bring that house come out now. Nothing. Everybody feels say that house, from head to toe, say that house, the bush. Say it too fine. Monica, you yourself, this Monica. I thought say na Monica na they fit her something. He fit her that house yesterday. Wait till people no even see. When they wash Kate yesterday, wait till they no even see. Monica fit her yesterday for a platform. He washed that house the way when people they wash bitterly for river. Man, you people is high time on my entire house. Yeah? And all the time I buy house. I don't even know whether or not they use until they intimidate people. We have been this Europe for years. We don't stay for this Europe for years. You know? Yeah? We don't stay for this Europe. Even people where they pay rent, What Nigeria, most of Nigeria people don't know. Some people they when they pay rent. That rent, when they start to pay that rent, the price go low. Later the price go high. You know, say when rent, when house they owed for abroad, they reduce the rentage. House, if they owed for abroad, they reduce the rentage. Anybody when you see some now, so go come stay for inside this thing. Now they say, oh, on our bowania, now this one job buy house for Europe now. Oh, now this one job buy house. Man, people when they watch them, well, all of now when they watch all those women when they Facebook there. More than don't go they carry hypertension. Things whether they carry come and nyama things. Nyama. Like me, say I want buy house for Europe. I pray. Now the biggest house now go buy tear rubber. I know they buy the one where you want for. That you for not show people that house. You make people tired to buy house. Truly speaking to my even if I want I want when you that your house you use and take discourage people when you want buy house. No, no. It's too I know. Why you Kate, you know what it just be like say now abandon house now you go buy. You know, people they buy house. People they buy house. Maybe they will say, lovely, you know they share where you're all. Me, I know they boast too. Now don't say me, I know they boast. Maybe if I want to bring my things come, if I bring a come, it go just clean. Oh, I make boy. It go clean. When people they buy house that year, where would they IT? A lot of people buy house that year. Even most of those people when buy house that year, all of them they London now. None of them get house again. They couldn't finish the payment, or most of them they don't have work or something, one thing or another wrong with them, something like that. What they do, the bank took the house back. Yes, the bank took the house back. This house now, when Kate they shout now, my house, my house, my house, my house. This house, now bank, now he help Kate buy this house. If Kate don't reach 6 months for that house now, say she don't pay that house, what the bank will do? Bank will collect their house back. Most people bank collect their house back that year. One and find another thing they show for Facebook. Why you not motivator on my man? If you want to buy house, yeah, people buy house that year. Here I call Dowa. You go buy and two if not 3-bedroom flat. If not 3-bedroom flat, if not 2-bedroom flat, most people they buy 3-bedroom flat. If not 3-bedroom flat now you want to buy, you go buy apartment. Apartment, it go fine. Yeah, you go buy apartment. So apartment there, you get one person when you buy a house for IT. The person are my friend, now ma, when you buy house. When you want to go buy house, this house is already paint. This house, the house, they don't already renovate this house. They don't already do everything. Now for the person to just pack his things, enter the house. Then they see house like that. Before some people go set their house, sell them. They go renovate them. Sell them. I don't understand. That is how some people take they sell house. This one way, Kate, no, you too far our hand. Oh, but no man, wow, you too far our hand. Don't forget that thing. Don't forget that thing. I want if you rent I want maso when we yen. Oh, when we yen, me now want voin now. That one now, we no we be buati rat. That one a rat house now. Yeah. You know waiting. There is. I don't know why you people you do competition. But why you they come and carry this? I don't know why they do competition in money. Yeah. Kate, do you know what? Do you know that you really make a lot of mistake? Sometimes, you know, some people they go to say they're too wise. They're too wise. There is some people, they know something. But if you just they talk say you too wise, or not they look you. Kate, the money when you take buy that kitchen, why you no use until do that house? No matter how now, that kitchen when you buy, make you no talk say, I want to talk say, I don't want to talk the truth. if you go look that house sometimes, there is 7,000 euro kitchen. If there is 40,000 euro, if there is 15,000 euro, most of those kitchen, 20,000 euro, they inside. Okay, let's say keto. We know I know if you say this your own, not 20,000. I don't know how much you take buy. You feel buy 20,000, you feel buy 30,000. Man, you could have used that money to renovate that your house very well. You go use that money to renovate your house. You be black woman, you know be Oyibo. No, you see that kitchen when you see so Oyibo go buy that kitchen. If Oyibo don't tire, that kitchen they go sell them. Because Oyibo they maintain well. If Oyibo use kitchen for 20 years, if you see that kitchen, you think say that they just buy, they just they carry and come where they for buying. You know what you supposed to do? You supposed to use that money when you take buy kitchen, just and take renovate that house. You put kitchen for there. What it be kitchen? Kitchen and we are the for kitchen. We live for need. Before you know all those things, when you say kitchen, all those things now. Before you know the kitchen now, you go they pull. Yeah, you're not supposed to spend that money for kitchen. You're supposed to use that money to buy floor that house, put better wood. Cause now wood now they take the fence house for Europe. Use better new wood to fence that house. You go buy kitchen. If you want to do video, you sit down for kitchen. Say you they use a company gas. You they use an enemy gas. Yeah, when you are not a caterer. Yeah, now caterer now then they get that gas. No be this thing. Yeah? You go need water. You go need your way. Yeah, what only basic. Yeah, it book by my man. Yeah. That kitchen when you buy now, that kitchen now see Igbese. Yeah? Because say you want just go Facebook, that year your friend just talk say your house no good. My man, you go to manage that house, so you go to manage that. No come here. No. Papa, can you help me with water, please? Water. In the fridge. Don't bring the one inside my room. The one inside my room is hot now. And you bring the remaining juice for me. The one on top of my bed, and it's not cold. I don't spend night. Huh? Well, all those one, you're just so free. Metal you just did that year. You're just so free. As you still buy this one, it's still good though. It's still good, but next time, if in case you want buy house next time, I beg. Buy house when be said they don't already clean put for ground. Who get that house now? Just sell that house, just sell and throw away. Wow. If you are coming, let me know. No, come show your face for you. Wow, I want you not can if there is one Monica will have a quaffo. Yeah. Monica says she will come show her off. Wow, my people. I said I can live now. Oh, Katie. Katie, your hand when you fall, for Facebook. The time you carry yourself, go meet Monica. Now there, you for kill it. You kill it. And then you for kill it. If I were you, Monica issue, I know they put mark today. Where is it now? You go send this my boy something. You go use time take do one small. Give me. Hi. Now let this juice, my children know they follow me drink. They know they drink like with this thing. If I tell you sometimes, I dey drink and make my food for digest, make my fat for burn for body. Huh? Lolo still come now. Lolo come sister say he won't see the shade too much. Now Lolo because he say me come still help you. You yourself. Sometimes while they are videos sometimes. If you see watch videos sometimes, you know how to respond put. Our saladian wow. Now make they pick on a video. Anybody when say want use lovely to do video. The people will even like video presenter say now lovely what be that one now. Since Aproko not there again, make I help Aproko till Aproko will come back. Because Aproko say they go holiday. Don't go Nigeria. Aproko come from Nigeria. I give her a walk back. You see? That is it. Now wow. Oh yeah, who I like base by me winner of Facebook. All those things now when you just they talk now, all those money now, fine, you they pay all those money. You they pay the money, true. All those money when you they talk, you they pay the money now. You borrow the money. You borrow the money now. Now you borrow the money for bank, you they pay. You know how many people buy house? You know how many people get house? Only if Monica come talk. That one, if you like do videos 100 times, say you want to use them for Monica. Monica, now Facebook, you don't tell. You don't tell. When Monica come out that time, I may be the first woman. When you come out say, Monica, better you. Monica, wait till they happen. Now dear, now our saga not even too much safe. Our saga not too much. No. Not be now, the saga not be like this. People call the drive for cover and say, hey, Monica go deal with you, go drive you at the house. They go they say Monica go drive you at the house. Monica go drive you at the house. Now one day, now Monica come and say, who be this woman? Where this woman for the go? I don't know you before. You know, say the saga one they do they do it with bitterness. We call here Facebook, we come they happy. Come they say sometimes some women when see the nurse children for inside house when they're newborn, maybe they still they see waiting they'll take a while away time that they take care of their children. You know? You know? Now so now Monica say, who be this woman? When Monica wash me, Monica come see say this one, he can carry you, come hit you tomorrow. He will carry you, come, he go pet you, say may you not cry again. The one I tell they do this live video sometimes, it look terrible. Yeah? See house when you carry come. Ye nyaga. Me woman, I don't know. When you carry that house come out, now so this person carry kitchen come out, now so what that they call her? Rita come out. Rita come to say you look her. Now I make you go buy kitchen. Now they say kitchen on that get. When Rita come see your kitchen, now Rita come, you no come talk of kitchen again. Hey, you don't see her. When Rita say your kitchen, now very big kitchen. Rita no come use your kitchen do saga again. Say, yeah, you're not doing saga. No, the money when you supposed to take renovate your house, you go use and take buy a kitchen. Yeah, you use and take buy a kitchen. Make Facebook people call they see kitchen are where they cook commode. I will yaga love your kitchen. Nobody can sleep kitchen. Even people when they not get herself, if they reach your house, they'll say, hey, may you give me kitchen, make I sleep. They'll say, no, go sleep in the room. I better not sleep my kitchen. I will your kitchen here. I will your corner here. I don't understand. I don't know where can I dolly or why you know I have the kitchen. What a kitchen? You know that kitchen when you put for house, and you know where you go enjoy that kitchen now Nigeria, no be abroad. If you build house finish for Nigeria, you put that kitchen where you have vamu, people will say, chai. Yeah, well, today, Sha. Like I will leave this block. Oh, wait, let me plug in. I removed the plug. I use it to plug the fan. Let me plug it back. Just when I don't go to see my nyash show because I know where I need to. Make my nyash not come on Facebook because of the winner. My nyash fine self. I don't even get big nyash. Just when I don't see my nyash show. Now Nigeria, if you want to show something, what be Europe? Europe, if they show property for Europe, you know they make sense. Now Nigeria, my property they good to show. Like they show you go relax. That's your property. People know they tell say, hey, do this one, do this one. I want say has all in Nigeria. I want to be coin, what coin? Only the roof here low. I want me the roof here where oh you kill this house. You kill it. As my daughter did. My daughter say, you kill it. Kate, just carry camera. Wa mudawa. Oh, why you again go how where ya there? Oh, go how one Nigeria. That has no be say people will say lovely. You dey find trouble no. Now waiting deal. Una know me right from time. It can wawe my wawe or wawe man. Yeah? And bedroom when you do. Yeah? My bedroom, I dey wash and well. I know now the way when I just see and so it do. If they say that they renovate house, now me be the first live video presenter. That a lot of people they shout say, now all of lecture I see oh they renovate house for abroad. Yeah. You know see huh? You know how much I tell to that house that time? Yeah? You know how much? Only when I tell you renovate that house that time, this house when I did so this year now say I paint, I don't paint. Because I get every time they use money they do. Make the house they there. If I want to change things for this house now, I know what I want to change because get the time when I think they change things for house, you know. When I do that house, do everything. When people they share for Facebook, can't do house or not they can't do floor. I do floor. I don't spend 3,000 euros. I calculate. I say, 3,000 euros. Me why I will floor? Yeah, a paint euro, paint no deal. Now 3,000 euros. Me why I will floor? As I want to do the step case, as I want to put this step case rug to the climb up. As I reach there. They can't tell me say yes, I must bring the measurement. I go bring the measurement. When they give me B of that step case, that step case is almost it reach almost 400 euro for the rug. Plus that 3 something. Plus that 3 something. 3,000 euro. Instead of me to even buy the cheap one, I can't go buy the expensive one. If you reach a room upstairs, where they sleep, the floor fine, too fine. My floor too fine. Oh, I don't iron my daughter's jacket. Oh my God. And I'm still going out today. I'll go out. If I do this one small now, I'll go out. Monica say she go bring her own come. She dey repair her own. If she repair and finish, she go bring her come. Monica, you say you bring your own, eh? I will carry camera face you. Why is it baby why you be? These busy people now will beat me this time. Oh. I bet this lovely not the year word. When I don't see that yesterday, now you see all those pictures when you see all those pictures when it day yes so when I they put for yes so when Monica did life yesterday as they show and now they shot her. I have that shot of that house more than 20 shot. Now shot yesterday. Now my job now they do. You know concern me. But this matter we will discuss this matter maybe on Saturday evening. I will make up, I will bath, I will come and my character sit down for ground. Because of they talk. And now my job I they do my job. Ah no, Kate, yeah, no, Kate, you fuck up. Kate, you too fuck up. No. No, say na me they redo na result. Well, fuck up big. No. You too fuck up. If I don't bring that house for air. If I don't bring that, me, my backyard, I dey clean my backyard. Most of them I don't see them. I know they stay for my backyard. If I too take so, they give me headache. Now it make me my backyard. My backyard are not too the chair we fed day before, all of them I don't throw away. I know they enter some they sit down. If I enter some sit down, headache when go do me. It go do me reach 3 days. I know they enter some. If not, I'll just go where they sell guiding chair. Guiding chair that they see 700 euro. Me and they, if I want carry, I'll close that carry. I no fish out. I'll put them for there. But I know they stay so. No, I know they stay so like they give me headache. My back now, it don't grow again. The day when I will do it now, maybe now Saturday evening. Because I know if you do it in the afternoon, because the sun is too much. But when they give me headache, they make me sick. You see? I just now they see my nurse, so make I check out. I am on Facebook. Yeah, where I go, say lovely. I don't say me myself, I know they shame. I be shameless person. No matter how you go fight me, we shall not the shame. No. Well, on Saturday, I'll come talk about Kate. I'm not go, Kate, I'm not going to insult you. Nothing, no. I'm not going to insult you. There is a word when I will let you know. There is some particular things sometimes when Kate they do. Kate will want me people understand. Kate, people don't already understand. They are not deaf. There is some video when if you do video, they always say I enter. But I know they comment. They always enter your wall. But I know they comment. They always want to explain this something to people. To open people brain, carry the something put for inside. Now so they do. You just want to say, make I open people brain, make I put the something inside. Say the people don't understand. Sometimes you say, me make I explain here. You don't even talk for your video. Kate, people understand. Talk and drop and come on for there. Which they be with one person they talk about your matter. You know that they call sometimes they will say. Even, yeah, they say the way when they push on too much. I was saga where we don't see yesterday as I beat up my car. I don't see beat up my car finish. I don't see leave on. If you go come. Yeah. Sometimes now, Kate go bring. Sometimes now, Kate go bring. He go come Facebook. She will say she don't want to do saga. She just want to talk. If Casey say she no get view, she will say she will come back again. When she is coming back again, she go put Monica, message to Monica. Because the first one view no there because why? Monica no there there. Before you know, you go say message to Monica. For Monica, if you like Monica, don't say message to anybody. Once Monica open camera, people they watch her. Even now, so now laugh, you want go laugh for there. Quack, 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 quack. You don't do. See, Lovette that day now. See the way that one take they insult mama. The way that one take insult mama. Hey man, wale gbere inwo, wale siye keti ya, wa tie bono ko ni gbe, no good. Na to they insult that woman. Make una they insult who they fight una. Siye keti ya go wa ho, I don't know why they. Generation wa na tie bono ko ba radio. Oh, it's too much. Because even while we born what you know who near, when I remember so na be mother, Now today saw that woman. Oh, too much. The insult is too much. Now with Kate get problem. Not gonna they insult Kate. Don't be mama. What did the woman can't do? Wow, now it's too much. And this woman and Kate says, Kate, you don't even still try. If you reach Facebook now, for your live video presenter, now your mama, Kate. If you do Facebook now, for live video presenter, now only you want, Papa, reduce that thing. If you reach Facebook now, for the whole live video presenter, now your mama now they abroad. For all your live video presenter, most of their mama don't die. Okay, it's there. Then you put it inside cream. Don't use the oil rub it. There is one in Angela room. Put the oil inside the cream with the cream. Don't put only oil. You know, for the whole video presenter, not let your mama dey abroad. The rest mama no dey abroad. You know, most of their mama they die. And if you wear ragbon, change platform. So people they know they do saga. But they get style, not be style they tell they get saga. Hey style I mean saga. Why this iron? What did they happen? I been not be iron on my plug. What come? You know, I don't see off again. Wait, you know now you just the wait your body you wear, Kate, now you they sort your mama, True. People when they insult your mama, they follow they do video again. No, they might they again. You know say this presenter or whatever relate your bonije me no talking matter. How can you what's your name? How can you just day like that? Carry your mama on Facebook? No good. You don't want them to make them stop. Nobody. If I should tell say no stop why you at your born now, that means say I'm just playing. Kumeje. If you they talk to them, none of the way they talk to you. Now your mama. You yourself no respect your mama. Now you don't give your mama respect. When man move you well. Now you they insult your mama, Kate. It's getting too much. Please. I don't feel do live video that time. Still talk to you. When no winner, when to when winner. How say winner when winner. You insult your mama. So. Oh, yeah, mama, my man. I beg. Not good for her again. Then you respect your mama, Kate. You don't do. Hey, man. Not the only you, your mama born now. Your mama got that children now. I really go they insult your mama. What when you work with there? Only you want your mama born. Only you want. That's what they sort of not good. I don't feel say live video presenter will stop why you out here bunny Kate. Because that is only what they will give you, your mama. Now they go give you. You don't get respect. If Kate want to, Kate go say people don't get respect. Kate, you be number one, you don't get respect. Do you know why I said that you don't have respect? Be you where? Now your mama, eh? You are welcome, my personal person. Now your mama, be you where na egenya we wonji. You hear me, Kate? Be you where? Ana egenya, you don't get respect. You know they give respect. Eh? You know they give respect. Can't you respect this your mother? Na gbobia ini wa tie bona bani e kobe van we mi Facebook. Okay, e Facebook geleri go nu web boan. What on we na jinwina? What are you coming to display on Facebook? Ukmonu wa vio, ukmonu wa vio ukmo. They shop. Because one of the way I know they see our go Zalando, you know they there. The American wa na dukmonu wa vio jo. Yeah? If you are looking for sale, you dey find a marker. Now Zalando, now then they shade marker. Now be the biggest this thing when different company they carry this thing go. Yeah? It just be like AliExpress. For Europe, oh, now Zalando. If you read there, you'll see different marker for there. Yeah? What your bonny you wear for that your bonny you wear. Kate, now you they sort your mama. What your bonny you wear? Oh my back. There is something, There is something that happened. Is it 2 years ago? I think I said it in video. 2 years ago, I don't know. Is it 2 years ago? I don't know. This something happened. You get one of my daughter friend. You know this now. That they for abroad. Not be only Nigeria, for abroad that they use each other as something. Yes, if you not be if they be type friend. Some people won't even get girls, children when they don't big. You still see, I get with one thing. You see this shoe. People won't know marker. When I see this shoe, I don't know whether I'll see and where. Papa, are you going out? To a coach? Okay. When I see, I know this shoe is a very expensive shoe. People won't know this shoe. You can't get one of my daughter girlfriend. I don't feel talking. Wait till they talk so, eh? Mama, if somebody they insult person, mama, eh? The pikin go come out. Or why it's about me or typhoid lawa. Then this guy no dey with the parents for house. He did this thing. He did shelter where they put children. Now shelter that they call them for here. Now the girl dey. Then this shoe, I don't see her for a long time for my daughter leg. If I say may I ask my daughter, I say, where this shoe? I will come forget. I say one day, now my daughter, she with her sister, they come they talk. Then my daughter come to say, when my daughter come say, Mommy, you want to tell me something? My come to say, what? He say, the shoe when they wear, that shoe, I don't forget the name of this shoe. Say, his friend carry him. Now say, which your friend carry him? Say that friend when they stay shelter. Now come to say, oh. How many months? That shoe almost get to 1 year with that girl. I'm not going to see that shoe again. This girl, she can't carry, when she see Titi, when she see my daughter, she can't carry load. She can't give my daughter. Make my daughter help her carry and can't give him mama. Then you get one woman when they back of our house here. He can't give her the clothes. Make it go give. Titi can't give the woman the clothes. Make it go give the girl mama because they be friends. Then now Titi can't tell this girl say make it bring her shoe for her. Because the girl like that shoe, the girl don't want to bring shoe. You know, so those people, you will see some people, they can use some kind of brain. Now Titi got to say, why you don't want to bring this shoe for her? He said the cloth when he give my daughter, say the cloth no complete. Now my daughter got to say, one, she no fit use your cloth because the girl talk well. Now my daughter come talk say, one, she no fit use your trouser because you talk well. Now my daughter can't go meet the woman. He come tell the woman say, see am o. I do my come tell my daughter say, she carry the load go give am. Say the girl na lie, she dey lie. Now my daughter come tell me say, mommy, say me go follow am go the girl family house. Say she call the girl and say the girl dey around. Now I come tell my daughter say, okay, no problem, we go. We can't go. As we read there now, we ring bell. As we come ring bell now, she see us. Now Titi come tell am say, now she can't carry. Now the guy come tell am say, the cloth when she give Titi make can't give him mama. Say the cloth no complete. Now Titi come tell say, you know say your trouser not go enter my body. Wait I want use your trouser do because the guy talk well. Your trouser not go enter my body. Wait I want use your trouser do. Now the woman, the mama come dey talk, the shoe dey outside. Now come tell the guy say, okay, how much for the trouser? Say the trouser na 35 euro. Now come tell the guy say, true, this your trouser, you know dey your load. Now he can't keep quiet. Now mama come tell am say, the trouser when the clothes when Titi help you carry, can't give your friend, make can't give am. You sure say no complete? Mama come ask am o. You see mama go ask am. You sure say no complete? Because her mama already know her pikin. Me myself, I trust my pikin well. You sure say no complete? Now the woman come. Now he come pikin come say no, e no complete. The body language come show say this is pikin self dey lie. Cause mama know say na pikin when dey lie. Cause you know they house na shelter night day. No be as now Titi come talk say, mommy, see the shoe when they talk. Now Titi say, the shoe they can't put am for where they push shoe. If you don't open door, don't say for if you dey enter house for Europe now, the first place for here now, the first place when you go see now where they push shoe. Now I say, now this shoe, now this guy carry say yes. I say, hey, I'm not going to see this shoe again. He said, no, this shoe. You know when you don't go see something again, you yourself go come, this something will come out for your mind. But you go not say something like that, your pikin get am. Because they clean their room. I got to say, hey, I don't let them talk say, where this shoe? I got to say, this shoe don't do with this girl now. Get it to a year. Even my daughter no use this shoe the way when that girl take use am. Now I got to say, this shoe I can't verse. The woman come see say I verse. Now I tell the woman say at this moment, this shoe na go pay. If na not pay this shoe, I go call police. Police go come here now. Now the woman come to tell Ipiki say, now true you talk. Say your gist, true, no date this the Ipiki they say, he no come no again. He no come no again. Now mama come to say, but you first talk say your this thing no complete. Now tell mama say because say your daughter like this shoe. Your daughter no want bring this shoe come. Now he make she come the lie for you. Now that the woman say, okay, you say that the gist na 30 euro. Say yes. Now that the woman say, give me your account, make I put am. If I dey put 30 euro for this account, well they pay put 400 euro for this account for my pikin shoe. Because that shoe almost 400 euro. Now that should be. The woman say, no. Make I leave the jeans. I should not pay. Say, no loss. Now mama come talk and mama say no. Say the jeans no lost. Say na lie, na pikin dey lie. Now go say na lie, na your pikin dey lie. Now go tell the mama say this shoe, you know they see am for your pikin leg. He say yes. Now say this shoe dey with your pikin for more than get it to a year. You know if you tell your pikin say make go carry and give who get am. And you know say this shoe na expensive shoe. Now the woman can't keep quiet. Now I can't carry the shoe. I can't come for there. I can't they come house. Where they go so? May you see where they go so, Kate. Then as we reach house, then me with Angela, they have city come out. That one can say one go buy something. I can't relax and I see summer time. Can't relax. Now so bad ring go. Now Angela Angel come dey talk to the person and they speak Dutch. One come dey tell Angel say, who be that? He say, the guy wey we go their the guy wey go their house go collect tissue. Say na the senior brother na he dey here. And the senior brother, he no see dey house so because the children, I don't know how the mama take dey treat the children. He no see dey house. They do gaga. I tell my daughter, say, I beg all those people when their head not correct. I don't need them as a friend. Now, the boy come dey talk say he want come meet me. You know, say the boy they fight him mama. He can't talk say no. He can't feel say na him mama he want come fight. You know. Now they follow my daughter. They drag. That's my second daughter. They follow and they drag. He want come up come meet me. Now I say, Angela, who is that? He say, nah, this girl, brother. And I say, who they find? He say, he want to talk to me. He say, now my daughter come to say, me, I no go like to talk to her, make it go house. He say, because me come their house. Say, his mama say, me, I come there. Now I can't go downstairs. I can't go meet her. He say, me, I come their house. Now I say, yes. He say, mama tell her, say, I come. Now I say, yes, I come your house. I thought, say, my daughter should when your sister carry for. Almost get it to 1 year now. Can't collect. I want the boy do. The boy say, you know, say some children when they're born for Europe, if they beat their mama, they'll say they want to use that say something reach outside. It is a be mama. As you just they talk, you just push me for her. Now tell her say, oh, are you crazy? Now I say, don't tell her, I'm not your mother, eh? Don't do that again. If you are fighting your mother, I'm different. I'm not your mother. Don't do that. I tell her, I'm a stranger to you, and I can take something here and break your head. He said, really? I said, you don't know me. I'm not your mother. Your mother can have pity for you because you are her son, but I'm not your mother. I won't get any pity for you. I'm going to deal with you. Now, so, my daughter can tell her, say, make it go out. If they use the leg, they hold door. What's all those arrogant boys now? They use the leg, they hold door. You know, say, now, man, do my come meet for house. When you come to fight, at the craze, true, another spirit go carry me. Then they follow my daughter, they drag. Now my daughter can say, no, I will give you that chance for you to talk to my mother. You don't do that. Go home. Even with my pikin, they told they talk. You want to hit my pikin? No, go where they put, wait until they mob, that stick. I'll use a weapon. Now my daughter could say, no, mommy, no, don't do that. I tell her, are you crazy? The boy they say, really? Are you going to hit me with this? I said, I will break your head. I'm not your mother. I won't have pity for you. This puppy, he couldn't look me. I tell her, I won't have pity for you. I will break your head with this stick. You think I'm your mother? You can fight your mother at home, but you don't come here to fight me. I don't give them because my children, they don't fight me. The boy is how they play. As he won't go now. As he won't go now, he won't come punch my girl. Children, when I not take, they follow person play. You want punch my girl like this. Now my girl come dodge am. That one. No let my daughter. That one. You know send anybody. Now carry that stick. I use stick take the pursue for street now. Me, I use stick take pursue for street. Now my daughter come they say, mommy come. The boy come they laugh. I tell her, oh, you could have stand. You could have stayed. You see how I will blow off your head. And nothing is going to happen. You see? Can't you see why I bring this matter console? My daughter was there. Eh? He supported me and he stopped me. Say, mommy, it's enough. Come back. You see, huh? My daughter, he can't follow me. Say, no, mommy, come back. Mommy, come back. My daughter can't cool me down. Say, okay, mommy, it's okay. Now, the boy, he can't stand. He can't look. You know, the boy was so surprised. So, something like this can happen. I tell the boy, say, when you fight your mother at home, you don't go to people's house and fight. One day, they will kill you. Then the boy can't laugh. Then, my daughter can't carry me. He can't enter inside house. Come here, I dey crazy, so you don't carry crazy, reach where I do. Then the day when my second daughter, my first daughter can't see the boy. Now my daughter can't tell the boy, say, say you come house, you want to the fight for our house. Now my daughter can't say, he did Europe law, say you go come out for your house, you go the fight for somebody's house. Now I think the boy tell my daughter, he say, your mommy is crazy, eh? Now so he tell my daughter, he say, your mommy is crazy, eh? Now my daughter go tell her, say, you fight your mommy always. You think you can fight other mommy outside? That's your mommy. Your mommy can take that from you, but other parents won't take that from you. You say, no, your mommy is crazy, real. He say he's shocked. He say he's shocked. Say your mommy is crazy. You don't take nonsense. It's not so I tell my daughter. I say, your mommy don't take nonsense. I say, yeah. And my daughter don't say, no, my mommy don't take nonsense. That is why you see us, we are very calm. If you want to do nonsense to my mommy, it's going to pull you off. How they give chance, so. You see what I talk, so, Kate. My daughter was there. My daughter could calm me down. My daughter, he say, mommy, don't talk. Let me respond to this boy. And so my daughter talk. You see respect? Then I can't the verse because I know the quick verse. My daughter can't say, mommy, drink water. I know that you are very angry right now. I can't even want to make police come safe. You know? I told my daughter, say, I will call police. Then my daughter say no. You know why I still talk, huh? Say I will call police. I don't want to make the boy go see my children for road, they fight. Now my daughter can't say no. She not go. You not go try her. See, huh? Why they tell you this one, Kate? You see this Facebook when you did so? This Facebook when you did so? You don't too insult your mama. I just go beg you. You too insult your mama. You see that time when they bring my grandfather house come at that time? What happened? Even people they say, lovely deny papa, lovely deny papa. Lovely deny papa. Not be waiting people talk. Lovely deny papa. This one will deny papa. Yes. Do you know why I do that? I not do and say really, I deny my pale. I not deny my pale. I deny my pale for social media. Because why? I don't want anybody to use my papa because they do caricature. Yes. That is why you see my father market no sell for Facebook. No sell. No sell. Even that they do live video that year, no sell. Who carry and come and say, I beg, this man said, couldn't go for himself. Look at the way they are doing your mother. Oh no, you wait they walk. You wait their husband. Fine, you they walk, your husband they walk. The money both of you are working is enough. It's enough. Why are you so greedy? There's some people that don't work. They don't have document to work. They manage. They are satisfied with what they have. But they are not on Facebook there. Audio live video presenter, nobody way they don't insult him mama like this. Even Monica today, Monica here, Monica there, Monica here. Nobody way don't insult mama Monica like this. In no day. Lolo, when you we can be friends that time. How many times you don't see say live video presenters sit down they insult Lolo mama? Man, woman enter house. Kate, enough, please. The way you are out here about you way is no good. May your callers, may they see they talk to you. All those people, Sword, Kate, this thing. Please, you people, who are Kate. The way you are go, ije go and wow. It's not good. Una dog bashawo. No, they call Mama Kate Ashawo. Wano dog bashawo. No, they call Mama Kate Ashawo. Yeah? Pot they call Kento Black. Yeah? Yeah? Why yaga total? Find something to talk. If you not talk, cool, come on for there. Must you do saga? Yeah? If now one person now you they beat now, or a man, now you go carry Lolo con, you go beat her. You go carry Monica con, you go beat her. You go carry Rita con, you go beat her. Who you see they carry con again still they beat. That day now you carry Asaboro con. Mona go Asaboro. Mona go Asaboro. Mona go Asaboro. Asaboro ko to say walk in and here don't know. What did they want con asa? That one man con bricore. Only wait Asaboro just talk say. What do you do when they want con ask me? You carry Asaboro, you fight con. I'm not go where my man. Where go. Yeah, I don't know. People don't people when they I don't agree. You know fi say you want insult mama. The time when I did Naija that year, I'm still very young. We shed finish. One girl come. The time when this is they read that time. That what leather. Now remember that time now when leather come out now. This what do they call herself? Khaki. When khaki come out, no khaki that year now. When they use and take the sew skirt. I don't know whether most of them will remember because this year when they talk, so it don't take. Maybe some of them said they never even born. With their shop. As the girl come, he say he want buy khaki no be leather. And so the girl they talk. And my mama can say, which one you want buy khaki no be leather? Mama can say, you know they say khaki no be leather. I can't go meet the girl. I can't tell the girl say, wait till you won't buy. Say you won't buy khaki no be leather. Now can say now khaki you want buy. No say that white color that they see pure white, that they see khaki now that one you want buy. Now you know say that they see children when they know they respect their elder for they don't get home training. Because they see they talk and now come to say okay na khaki you want buy. Say na khaki no be leather. Now mama come to say they see they correct you. What we get for here? We get khaki, we get chiffon, white, we get khaki. Which one you want? You just tell mama say. You tell mama say, yeah, I beg. For where I did. Not tell her say, oh you dey tell her say I beg. Who your mama be waiting? You just want to talk. If you see slap when I slap her. The guy they find who slap her. He be. I say, you dey mad. He wrong now. He wrong. You do the disgrace of my mama and me. You know they respect your mama. No. They be frank and sincere. Now you they insult your mama for Facebook. You know they respect your mama. We respect you where? You know they respect your mother. You know they respect your mama. It's too much. It's a disgrace that kid you carry your mama on Facebook. I eat here, but you will because of this insult one they insult me. Monica, when you email, go your make I go my own. No. Yeah? All the time, Monica. If you not come on live video, say message to Monica. View no go come. Yeah? Okay, why you get Monica na scatter? Okay, what say I na? Yeah? Me, I did saga Monica where before. I didn't say Monica. Oh, you can. I don't get time for my gay. I said Monica always swing there. Oh, well, see, I lovely. No, don't talk to me, oh. Not talk to me, lovely. You want to start again? All the time you go, I'll call the boss for Facebook. I don't get anything. I do have back bang. You have to say, I don't know how someone they buy. Dustbin. What is where you talk? See the day where you they do guiding. Your mama dead there. You they own video. All the clothes where your mama wear they carry a call. You know if you do that one. Private. Yeah? I don't know who you they show house. I know madam you why can you measure now how measure ya? I go measure. see they tell ourselves truth. There is a live video when Kate they do. Monica know they talk to her. You go there. Respect yourself because of your mama. If not let you that they beat now, what can me? That your mother. Yes, you are right. Sometimes when they talk to, we don't say Monica only the zaga or the la hune bet. Or my way you Kate. Monica don't calm down. Monica don't calm down for saga. Monica don't calm down for saga. Monica yewe saga. You know they do saga again. Rest, Kate, enter house. Go face your work. You they work. People know they work for Facebook. Like me now. If the one cutter says, shut up, you they work. I know they work. But I'm okay. Yes. This one when they do so not be work. Not be this one, not be government they pay me put. I don't know government has a union. Government they pay for this one when they do for my children. So carry your children con nyaga nyaga. You carry your mama con nyaga nyaga. All the live video presenter know their children when they blog like that. I don't know who they show your children. Yeah? You carry your children, call your children, make nyaga nyaga. Yeah? The day when you go beach, go bath. Yeah? Well, who you they show say you dey beach? Who you they show? You not even wear this thing when women they wear. Get waiting women take they swim. You carry your children, call they shot your children. Shot and go here, shot and go here. Any course when una the course for Facebook, as far as say una the saga una self for there, the course no they reach anybody body. Say because we're not all hikbogi, we're not all hikbogi. We will not buy or mugwa. Where they sell egusi for inside market day, where they sell bitter leaf day, different places. Can I hear a raw? Huh? You don't do. And then Basha was here the day now which one she be retired prostitute. The other day now they say she they talk to your mama. They know where Basha they retired prostitute or my team over here like Weibo. You see they insult Kate mama. Eh? They scatter. To carry became a bro, no fit. Only one Basha will ya feed me a Weibo. That one do me and they feed me. That one still come and they insult Kate mama. Be a no go on the eye so to ye Kate, I beg. It's high time. Facebook, I don't know what you are doing there. Okay, if you not do stand, if you not do saga now, una waiting, una fans not fit give una star. Look at you guys. That they insult your mama, that they give you star. It's a pity. It's a pity, Kate. They are insulting your mother, giving you star. Yeah, if you give you way, and at the star no way. At the end of the day, when more to go, the star no go this 70 euro. How much do they work for a day? A day, how much do they work? How many hours do they work? Maybe a day now you they work 80 euro. Now 8 hours you they work. Say now 30 euro that they pay you. They work 80 euro for a day. After you do that one finish, you come Facebook. Yeah? You come Facebook. Now Facebook, you won't come tell people say you rich, you get money. Kate, you not get money. When we go, now me they now lovely they tell you. When we go, you not get money. Carry your mama enter house. If you not see who tell you, if your fans not fit tell you say you don't do, now me they tell you now. You don't do. Stop. Just stop. That one when lot of way did that one constantly see say what did Monica do yesterday too much. Only now we were way too much that one can't talk. Say we easy say Lolo say no say you dey beat am but Monica Monica you all don't too much. Lolo can't see talk to Monica. You come out this morning now. You dey talk to Lolo. You know they even you know they fight everybody. Are you serious? I don't wear jail. Yeah? I mean, you want to go one house so time. So we were say I know say I'm not good though. I know say we choose the quarrel. Why let you lolekia beba? Lolekia. Yeah? I don't even know why Lolo can't even talk for your favor, self. Lolo, why you can't talk for your favor? Yeah? If you want to sort them, if not me, say as they follow the do saga, go sort two of them. Why you can't talk for your favor? Which house Katie buy? Lolo, that one my house. Why you talk for your favor, Lolo? You still come out this morning, I see video when you do 30 minutes. You see they talk to Lolo for them. I say, Lolo, just do video. Why use and take carry shape come on for your eye? They saw that one for the live video. Eh? Me do what? Eh? See, you're when you both die, leave house for. You just throw away house. You just never come one day come to shout say, hey man, wow, I get house. Oh, you know how many Nigerian women when you both die, leave house for? Eh? If you say for life, you don't present now. Even they say don't say we don't know whether Nigeria or bet we still they see Yore for the cup and that year. Yore no dey that house again. Eh? Eh boy, who so why am Yore? Yore dey that house. Yore no dey the house. Me won. I get him. Walking. Which house you get? That one a house. May you enter house. No go dey use say you want come they gather people. All the men say you get house. True that they come they sort your mama. You no get house. That house when you dey, if they say make a come rent, I no dey rent. They'll say Larry Dorento Wanaimu. That one no be house. That house when this thing audio nori mina ever ni na committee na. O ekena na bokoko. Your mate when they bokoko, here le poultry. Ekenu je eya wa ye seke. Get enter house. What do you say? Kovu house. Yeah? That one not be house. That one time when night. Oh, one leaking here. Only one my me. Only one. Now the house now put for years, so see house. Oh, one knock here, webo. This one our house. On our way ya, on our look me door. Then now this one you go by. No, they tell ourselves true. Now this one, now this house. Now they enter Facebook on the saga. This house. On our look me now Facebook do a saga. Now because of this house, now people they sort your mama. This one our house. I beg you, look they talk truth. I need to your son. You do something. See the day when Odolofe do life. See the ebo. I was so pissed off. I come off for the platform. I said, no. This is getting too much. Yeah? Me with Odolofe, we fight for this Facebook. Me with Odolofe, in my hand. 1 o'clock in the midnight. All Odolofe will see they fight me for Facebook. If I wake up, go peace. If I enter Facebook, I say, Odolofe still they fight. And people can't even tell me if they break. They'll say, Mama, they'll say, Odolofe, call your papa. I say, he call my papa. Now one person can't cut him for me. He say, Mama, see him. You see, and now send this thing. Me, I get the way I tell they do something. One person can't cut him for. He say, Mama, wait, I'll come go record them for you. You record them for me. Now I send the video. I go send them. Go give my pale. I tell my pale, say anytime when this guy take call you, dey line no. Now you two they do caricature. Now tell my pale say no the man I go now shower. You dey road work. My pale say Agbile not and I say Papa na Agbile na they talk to you. He say now make they call like the middle of night. You see huh? Me with that one we fight for this Facebook. Eh? What I tell follow these people fight that time. Now truth. Eh ya na vele la dia. E dey here there. She can still use her mouth talk and say everything when I talk. Now truth. Wahala dia. I buy house. This one a house. I buy not the house. No. Kate, They can where you dey live. This one na house. Not they talk man. Not they talk say you buy house. This one no be house. No. This is not. This one not give encouragement every day. Kid, you go just the kid just come out and they insult. Oh, yeah, okay. Too much now. If Lady Monica start her own, they go. Okay. If you start here, you not go finish. Yes, it's too much. If you know what, me and they look there, oh. Me and they look there. And they look there where. Me wa ganyan. No see Anna. I don't want you this cloth finish. I know say this cloth when I iron today now, you go give me headache well. Cause summer time. Hey, now my son don't even bath finish. You don't tell me say don't bath finish. Make I remove this thing off. My dog will move with you. I go back and move with you. If I like, me gonna look my nyash. My nyash is terrible. It's too much. The day when you did this thing, you dey do something for this house. You carry your mama, you put her. All the clothes your mama wear, you full Facebook. Your mama full Facebook. Eh? You not see Rita Yemi at that time. People say, lovely, why you dey beat Rita Yemi? I tell Rita Yemi, I say, carry your mama come out for Facebook. Carry your mama come out. When you and I Facebook, as me with Rita Yemi saga reach, I know insult him mama one day. No, I know they like her. I don't have to bonish one. I like her. I don't like her. Do you know what is mother? One when you like Facebook, I work there. I go they talk to Rita. You the man, Rita, you know where? When you and I Facebook, go find something to take the blog. Go there tell you, but no mu je la job, but no mu je la job. Can your mama come for there? Today now, see Rita mama picture not the Facebook again. Every Facebook. Rita mama picture with your mama picture. Which one's full Facebook past that? I not be Rita mama picture. Yeah, Rita come say he wants start to do saga. The mama picture come full for everywhere. That thing when they do Rita, he pay Rita. Now no how he take they pay. If you see Rita that time, you go dey Facebook, yeah, go dey red where. Now go they talk say carry your mama enter house. Now they put your mama they so bonomwe and muje me latin. Forget that thing. That one you enter house. You suffer the block they go. While we go sometimes all the door fit on. Vita no just they you don't come just they bounce on issue again now say I want that issue. Or you don't see that day when this person will come out. What here? Ukinebo. He talk for Ukinebo finish. He enter house. If you talk to Rana, she go use it direct way. But on my seriously, when no kaya serious, it's scared. 3 people they watch you. Eh? You get respect for 3 people when they watch you. Now I plenty pass it. One Kate stay with you that they disgrace your mama. Kate enter house. Carry your mama enter house. You know they share. Your mama go there inside house. Who got a year with your bona? A live video na ya tie boni you wear. A Kate, a live video na ya tie boni you wear. You go they plan for your platform. Even if say your mama, you know they watch video. Through your own video, your mama go they hear insult. Where they take the insult her. Since 1, 2 of the saga each other, Monica no talk to Kate again. Yes! Me and they see Monica wa we riabe ban. Iwa we Monica uriabe na so they do arrive from time. Iwe Monica wa we riabe. Eh? Iwe Monica uriabe. Monica. If you can't talk to Monica no good. Why you know they too much go where Lolo day? Lolo mat. na razor blade. Now make no they go there. She talk am. She say, "Ye lolo imunyowane, you go fold your cloth to join your children because yeah, you push it too much." All those women when they see so maybe they don't fair do saga. Our saga that year, now +1. So the Monica so, hey oh, lovely leave me oh, hey lovely leave me oh. Yeah, I been wait for now. I been na here. What serious? You got the boss for Facebook. Where did you get? Where home? Yeah, ask me then now. Eh? You won't call boss for me say you get. You know whether I get past you. So people, so women they inside house, they shut up. We will have one. What do you get? But you one where there's someone one here now. If be like me, if I want buy house now, I want to go buy house, you know, now, but don't. Oh, one here there, or one on your one here. If you want to buy a house, if you want to buy a house, go to a place where they put this Voni. If you want to cope Voni for cope, that is house for sale. If you read that, they will bring the picture of the house come out. When you see the body of the house, you go know say inside the house you go find two. Now this house, now you go by, now you know they let your mama rest. This one, now this house when you now with all those giant rats they sleep. See house when they show. Or you nana, how will I say it? May God fuck up. Just fucking. It's getting too much. This is only the woman where be say the video where presenter te Sagara. She got a player for her live video for inside house where her mama dey. Even he say her mama no dey watch video. Through her own video, her mama go dey hear. Veni ayamu ebok biketi Kate. Mama go dey hear and say maybe Mama Kate now she's not a live video. They do fun for live video, but the video when they take cost Kate go dey plan for her live video. Your mama go dey hear her. Now you dey insult your mama, girl. No tell you truth. But when you wear Katie, what did your mama do you? You don't wear wicked here. Is that how you are wicked? Yeah, you don't wear wicked here. Yeah. And so you wicked. What you do? What to do? You dey disgrace your mama for Facebook. You dey come they tell say, "Iyan te boni jeme o, Me girl, now you dey you where? Now you dey your mama. Yes, the things where they true to the boast of now irrelevant. What if be house now house, my sister? If you now see this house when I did, this house very big house. You know how many people don't build house, don't buy house for Europe. They no fit pay. They go bank can carry their house back. Oh, one way there, two way. Bank borrow we go. Only gbese we hina. Carry mama enter house. You be only gbese. We don't know how it dey roll. Me we don't spend almost 30-something years for abroad. I mean you want to tell say you buy house. People will buy house that year. All of them don't. The government don't collect the house back. If you no fit pay, if you both save. If you both go carry loan for bank, say they no fit pay the house. Government go carry the house back. Now government will come to rent the house. You know the government bank go come carry the house put for rent. You go the rent and they pay the money for put for bank. You they come the shot for year. We no leave base. Every base full your body. But now they come they disturb all those women when they manage, they take care of their children. But now come they brainwash, they say una get house. Well, love here now your this thing where it all say there be. Na bedroom me be where I say it be. Then una never do one. Una never do this thing. If that house when you dey, that house when you dey, may I tell you, that house when you carry so, if Oyibo want that house when you carry so, they say they want buy that house, that land, they go demolish that house. They go demolish and that house say when you buy so, when you say you buy, person know the year will say that house say you want repair am. If you put this thing down 50,000 euro down, you never work out. Only that outside the law can take you more than 15,000 euro to do outside the law. No, people there for this. People don't there for Europe for 50 years. Oh, both self. Oh, you when don't spend this thing. The guys on you when they with me for a year. All of them now don't they pack small. Some spend 30 years for this house. In a man door, in a live for the house. As I see, say they spend 30 years for the house. Now people they don't old because now big apartment, their children don't grow. You know, they don't old. Even their grandchildren self don't grow. They can't they pack a month. If you reach here now children department now this house be. If you reach here now, the old people when they here now you know reach TD again. All of them don't come off in now children come full here. Before when I come here, now me with one Arab man, now only two of us did this my lay way picking day with one Dutch woman. The rest now advanced old woman with her husband. See house where you carry coat say you buy. If now that one now you go buy, instead of me to waste money for that house, I'll kukuma go open business for Nigeria. Even in 10 years time, self, that house, if now 50,000 euro now you pay buy am. In 10 years time, that house, there will the price of 15,000 euro. You don't know. New house, the person will come leave new house, go they buy that one. People they buy house. You see some Igbo, the house when they live before, they say that house don't old. They will go buy, they will look for, they will sell that one. They will go carry new house. You know they see Igbo. One need black, white, yellow, white, why get one eye with Facebook? Because of house will not be anything. Now you they sharp. You when marry Ojibo, your mate when marry Ojibo, they get house. You born 2 children for Ojibo, you know get house. Well, Nigerian women when they born 2 children for Ojibo, now their Ojibo house, now they do Ojibo go talk say, okay, I'm giving you this house. You go rent apartment for outside. Or if not, you both get money, you go buy small apartment. You go give that house to you and the pikin when you born for her. Now come Facebook, all the fool myself. You they go work. We know they hear work. When while you will not say, I know people when know they go work. He have any so what? When while you will not say. Ijue. Even the video when they tell they insult your mama, you are just a wicked woman. Even where will you wear now? Can't you wear away? Your children go do you. Irrelevant person. You are an irresponsible mother. Now you be. You be responsible mother. You be responsible mother. It's so painful. That it was your partner ya zemu yiwe. But also all those farmer farmer na bokoko. Now so your house be now it be like where farmer they rear fowl bokoko ni marry the compound in we show the floor when did this thing ya bano yo all of them don't ban. I beg carry that your house come up for Facebook. Go delete that video. Monica, see, delete the video of the house. Me, this one, I'm not going to see delete and go or you have a recent house. A recent house in Ahina. Allah, what me? Getting too much of you. You're just a daughter that is not good. Well, ma, this kid, you are not good. You're not good. Not they talk say you good. You are too wicked. I hate wicked people. You are too wicked. Look at the way they are abusing your mother because you are a very wicked soul. Who wicked digbe? Iju where? What is you where you talk? Awa mimi kan koko, iya kan koko you go home. but when Monica can't see the house and I buy, or Jollovet can't see the house and I buy. Maybe as I do this video now, you can't say lovely, can't see video. Yeah, if I carry that your house, the one when Monica washed yesterday, that one a small one we made. Who be making ya ho wani? Do if you look by your hair, you dey trust her for bush. Get inside. All those women when they support you enough. The time when they tell retire me that time say retire me carry your mama enter house, not dey fool yourself for here. You get one woman now retire me this thing lover. He say be retire me fans. Or where retire me fans or him. Or where he called the toss say lovely now le miena this lovely self. Or where he get the daughter tare. He called us say no lovely you are right. He said now he can't call me. He said I want to tie. See retire me mama today. Come on for Facebook. You come Facebook. How many people now you see say retire me they insult him mama a day? A year raw. Because retire me don't say if he insult person mama now they'll come insult him mama. That one on the street now they run your live video now. Or what mama no way ko ya run oge or ko roge. Lolo when you come follow fight, you they fight Lolo. You come on for where Lolo day. You go meet Monica. Okay, who you call who want to join you? I can join where Katie. Where don't go Lolo home? Where go Lolo home for ne? When I reckon the Monica je. The day you sold your respect, Kate, forget respect. Nobody is going to respect you. There is no live video presenter who will respect you. The day you sold your respect is the day Nuna Viegwe Yotoma in Monica. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You know so talk to you, you know talk to yourself. If I do this video finish, I will delete them. I just want to tell you, if you like, you see and watch. May your people come tell you say, hey, lovely work, go where going now. O man kind me. Now no say the reasonable one wait there for us. I will say lovely man or man told want to tie or too much in way. Leave Monica alone. Let Monica be. You will let Monica be, you go be. Do you know how many times did they use Monica do live video when Monica see Monica with Siambo retire me with Monica now they get last year Facebook show from January can reach ni aya muye no iye Rita la dia can reach December 1 year saga na Monica with Rita do today now how many times you don't hear Monica name for Rita mouth? How many times you don't hear Monica name for Rita mouth? I don't know. You go they say you be mama. Where we now? You don't get anything, man, guy. You don't get. If you get, maybe when be lovely will come tell you say you get. Where we now? You don't get. We know who get. Why you not so in Facebook? Why me? Are you kidding? You dey shop on Facebook say I build house. Wow, dog and go wow, wow. Some women when they look you, oh, when you are Nigerian muladian, you go tell the woman say they can when I'm going where you are. They shop for you. Not be your mate they buy house for Lekki. Not be your mate they buy house for Lekki. Nonsense. Any way you do worry Lekki and you can am away. You don't see her. You are too wicked. You are very wicked. This woman won't get respect. No just come and answer me because I know just like her. It's too much. I don't like her. Before you see say lovely, you can't say he can't top for matter. You know say that thing too much. La just say you want come take me, take do caricature, I not be your mate. Why they follow you quarrel now? Because say who you jouer. You dey show kitchen. Who you dey show a kitchen? Go if you want show kitchen, go show me kitchen for Nigeria. Show your house for Nigeria. I will not say you come Europe. Any property when we get for Europe, we won't be Nigeria. We know they take as property. The one we get for Nigeria now they take as property. Yeah, we are not have in Nigeria. Hey, wait till you can. Everybody can afford to buy house for Europe. Some mothers there for Europe. their children buy house for them. You don't know. Why some others they don't ni monogo do wana. Ni monogo gele me better work. Now so your children small. You know they get time for your children. Your mama when you supposed to they maintain. Now your mama can't they maintain your children. Where so do where you ba orijwe? Ah, ije lare o. I wish you carry your man come out for this Facebook as a responsible woman. You will see how people will respect your mother. Oh, lare, mommy come here I do you powder. Mommy come here I do you makeup. Come, mommy come make I do you this. Mommy come sit down make I weave your hair for your hair. I wa kwere joni aya mo ebogbo uwa muladian. Iye me wa gugwa wa no che boni ye me wa yere wa won mo wa yere wa won mo mu jwe la wa na you dey cause Kate yere we won mo na che boni jwe yere we won mo na Obaka take Kate to go beg with no Obaka. Tell her to go beg. Kate, you finish yourself. Okay, Omo, is it Omo, Sego, Abi, Omo, yeah. You can't tell her, make go beg. Like me now, person, one woman can't come. Because I say, lovely, can't beg me. Hey, business, you know, him where he sees. Say, I give you something, carry go Nigeria, you season. You say, before I will bring this something for you, lovely. If you not beg me, I know give you. I say, you want me to beg you before you give me my goods. You say, yeah, you say, I beg la off, in Facebook, you not via go now via your top. Now I beg you, your mate when you get hair for one pit, get hair for toto, carry breast for chest. If I do not big boy, you has no respect again. Well, any respect. You could have just off. When I mina no re lolore, you could have just go. Look at what you did now. You want to go pepper lolo. At the end of the day, now you work big with Facebook. Look at this summer. Kate, change platform. You know the shake table. Your table never break. And when I shake it, where I shake it table. I'll delete this video because it's too long. I just want to use some busy iron clothes. This cloth when you see so. What do you button when they all of the door? What do you button when they all of the door come out? No say this cloth, if you use as sleep, you say you want to get off of bed, you will just your button will just come out. Hey, ya wahala. The cloth try. I want pack and put for cloth things when I carry go Niger. Yeah. 60 rich Nigeria go. You share and give children. Children, yeah, we are be here. Ona ya dead with Facebook. When no mu ari owa. Ona mu ona mu ari owa. When no mu ari owa degi ari de. Eh we ya mu when na we mu no ge money carry owa. E Facebook o ha na amu ebo. People come dey fear. Hey, because that was your first video you did. And Ohana Amuebo, no let God know where Katie carry this head go. No let God know where Katie carry this head go. Come reach today. Am I me here? Am I where your one ya me? Your one in the returning of the when you one you go they worry the person. Monica still there or say ye Monica still there kill fly. They sell for now for there. This your video. I will come talk to you. That your mama, you carry an entire house. That your mama, you carry an entire house. Enough. They were make me nije, Tima make me nije. Mama no there. I still there. If I still remember, I see the crowd. They sing. They sing. I see they use my mother. They sing. I say, oh mommy. Umuyere webo. You were my yoga. What shall you were my naka yoga? maybe your house help, wicked woman. Not only you want don't marry or you bo way you born. When mama can do a mugo. All women that time, even some when come say they no go house again that time. All of them. I for carry this cloth now. On the cloth when I you see they on top of a hanger, top of staircase. They carry their mama come. Their mama do a mugo finish. Even he said the mama come later enter street. The mama go take for street. He go say, "Egbe we bo we meni ariowa, or ariowa. Your own no gree go house. You put your own for there. Make your own total your house help. Oh, when I say house help, ya gbe. Na the content they do caricature for Facebook. Ije keto. Eh? Iye keto. Eh? Who were you well like webo? Where am you well like webo for how many years? Your mama still dead there. I remember this don't finish. May I go there? May go here. If fans, if you reach here, no na cut the cut because this video I'll delete and too long. 1 hour something. No, say I don't spend 1 hour something for 2 hours. I don't go delete them. So that I don't reach 2 hours. Not the one me they carry my distance too much again. Huh? You selfish too much. Yeah, for you, I put it for charger. The selfishness is getting too much. Free your mother, let your mother go. Let that woman go. Walk past said now, well, not let you want to carry mama con Europe. Walk past muye like we boy. Wait, the good thing say they want Pepe Lolo beg them go they do their self at the end. Just look Ukinebo. Now I'm carry Ukinebo, come on, Ukinebo na just this. Everybody they get fans. Like as Ukinebo be. Lolo still get fans like that. Yeah. Lolo still get fans like that. As Ukinebo be. Maybe one day now if Lolo fans still come out now so now still beat them. For Ukinebo, oh no. If you they follow live video presenter, your this thing come out. If they use you to do saga. Now so it go be. You see? Woman when they do I be family woman, I be this thing woman. She say her mother no they look live video. Okay, she said that her mother don't look live video. Okay, her mother don't look live video. Fine. Is she not living with her mother in the same roof? She's with her mother in the same roof. Am I right? Yes, okay. She's with her mother in the same roof. I'm just trying to hang this thing. Because I put it on charger. Okay. She said her mother don't look live video. Okay, fine. But the woman will not see chance to look live video. See, I'm China. She said, why this is so message and they say. As I said the message, so you don't come. China. How you do? He said her mother, okay, see her mother. Which side that day? At their house, at their upstairs, at their my big house. I'm at the press clothes, at the iron. See, as I the iron this cloth now, so women will see come and say, oh, love me, we iron. May I go carry my own command. Go iron, I go fine. You know? I go fine. This my son best friend. Do you like her? Where this best spread die? This best spread is small when I buy on that time. How old is it? Go reach today. This best spread don't spend 10 years now. I like the design where it dey. As it still grows, so I still like the design. You see? Okay, she said her mother don't watch live video. The support for this social media. Okay, where are the support for social media? My sister, I don't support anybody. You supporting Yarokba. Now me, maybe you are just a new person for live video. If you put something, lovely go come fit around. I know they support anybody. Who I want support? You they support? You they support? You not support in here. I want a video my dad be ya. You do you want support? Now Kate whether they insult mama, be now they insult Kate mama. Say it. If you say na woman I bonjour. I don't support anybody. You don't reach time when Kate go take fight. They do another thing. If Kate do blogging, people they watch you blogging. No. If people do blogging, say you want me you talk. See the day when she they do video for this thing, for where she they work. Did you know that she couldn't talk gently? That vocabulary, she wanted to vocabulary there. She was talking with low voice. She couldn't use the low voice like the way I'm using my low voice now. She couldn't use low voice. Because why? She's not used to low voice. Now so. Hatwari yakawe. Hatwari yakawe. Lolo yakawe. Nigeria spent 6 months. She no get husband again now. So Kate mama no fit stay Nigeria. I know they support anybody too. It's true. Kate should leave people alone. Thank you. The way they insulted, do you see 3 days ago when Odolove insulted Kate? I won't say that Odolove insulted Kate's mother. She insulted Kate. Oh, Kate to whom she do. I do know. I get angry and leave that platform. It was so very horror. That is disaster. I will need a dog big agawe webo. Now they call your mama a shawo. Yeah? I will need a dog big again to you where shawo. In so say you why a big agaya say na. Why a big agia. Eh? So say what big agia. If I talk about say you come. So just still there now, if they go outside now, you will give the 20 €. They will enter bush. Call Holland. They do bigger for street for Holland. Like, yeah, big bigger with Holland. So they talk and they say, well, why they talk? If you know they do, how you tell no? For Holland here, no street, it be agia. Yeah, bigger with street. Wano filekwa. Big, my man. Now you they beat your mama. Ha! Ije. That year, eh? Me here, oh. Me here. How they carry load. There is some things that I don't do. If I carry load put for head, I go get headache. How they carry load. Then if me with mama go that time. No say farm when they see for back of house. No be the one when you far. When you go reach 1 hour before you reach there, reach 2 hours before you reach there. No. You know, say the one when you go reach 1 hour before you reach there, now car, like go carry you go. You know? If me with my mom, they come that time, maybe mama will say, okay, make you take a yam. House when farm when they near house. So mama go they pack yam. Mama will pack yam put for basin. See, mama get your small basin. You know, say you walk back now, I come a basin over. Now mama they take put a yam. You go see me see carry yam. Go house, you know. Then me now, I know they carry load. If I carry load, I must get headache. Even they can't even discover and say if I carry load that they get headache. You know? Then sometimes I'll just carry this thing, wood. All those aberan na when aberan, you go break and. They'll use this to take time. Oh yeah. Sometimes I'll carry and I'll put her for shoulder. Mama will come they put you will come put for bathing. After Mama say, see, you know say I don't carry load. Mama will say, I say, okay, Mama, this one when you carry so. And when you pass for this small basis, so you go fit carry her. You go fit carry her. Mama will tell say, yeah, you go fit carry her. After Mama say, you sure? After Mama say, not be bicycle. Mama get fine new brown bicycle. No, yeah, you go. Mama get bicycle when they found. After they talk, so people when know Mama, they will talk say this woman don't lie. Mama get fine bicycle. On a bicycle, no, how you go. The day we know go market, you go farm. Why they taught this thing so? Mama will come carry yam. Maybe the yam when Mama want put for basic today, now if it be 4 or 4 or 5, you know say yam they big. So land they produce yam. If you call the go now, if you call the gist now, me I'll they look my mama. Mama will say, why they look me? I tell Mama say, why you go carry this thing? Eh? What I call they do, I will go I'll tell Mama say, wait for a year. And they come, Mama will say, a year. You won't see me carry this load. You know what? I'll come help Mama go carry the load. Carry and go front. Drop the load for there. I'll come go carry the small wood when I carry. You see, huh? No, say if women reach farm, they must carry something come house. Sometimes if they come, sometimes we can't see my in-law. My in-law will you go down the drive. They come sometimes. My in-law will come just carry us go house. Now you carry your mama come for Facebook, go they shout. They shout. I get house. I get this. Man, carry your enter house. Your house not fine. Obu when mo say. Since now this house, now they carry come they take they sort your mama, you have the most useless and dirty house. If a new house should be dirty like that, but why now? Carry your man enter house. You are so selfish. You are so selfish and wicked. You wicked digbe. Mama like all mama wicked. So this your old mama. Oh, nothing no say you wicked. I'll be watching you in this live video. I say, why this woman? Why is she so wicked? Why are you bullying your mother? You they bully your mother by yourself. You they can't tell us say nah people they bully you. You are very correct. It's true. Don't make she carry her mama out of social media. Monica, mama born for 3 husband. How she take see those men if not be ashawo when she do. Kate, I beg rest if you look on that one the plenty. Now I call back. They now which can help me read. You know see now as I dey iron today now, if I finish this live video now, you go see and say 1K don't watch me. If I finish them, they will say who they watch you? Who they watch you? You wear 200 follow the stand they watch. At the end of the day, you see say not the same view. Now me with you they can't. Oh my love. See now, Monica, how you day? Good. Happy birthday. How old are you now? That's my love. Now those are all of us did that time. You see, huh? Those are old friends. You see? They know me. They know me well. They don't come to say one day that they saga lovely. Oh. See we are for see lovely. Oh, lovely do this one, lovely do that one. Oh. They know me well. You see, huh? How my boys now? See they're okay. How your husband? You see? Yes. She just using all the names. Say I buy house. So house very local house and dirty. Yeah, the house is very dirty. It's very dirty. Please get in. Don't come. Your mother respect is bigger than this house. As for me, everything that I have, My mother respect is bigger. Go and check off me before my mother late. Ti me bowa munijeme. I tell mama say carry this house. Yeah, pour it. May you take and they chop. The house where my mama live before mama die. Now my junior brother went there London. I built the house. Me myself I do for mama. If you come Facebook now, if you come they insult me, I know they make mouth. Make go back me. Ah mama. My big mama, good morning. How you doing? Mama vieux héros. Today, say mama vieux héros, il de saga, il vient. Now because il vient qu'on like put for mama head. Now I make say he no go ever forgive Vivier. Even the other day when Monica do video, Monica say, you don't know what to do, mama Vivier héros. See, if Monica they call her, Lawa. No. If Monica want call her name, they will say mama Lawa. Now mama Lawa they call her now. You can still give her respect, but they don't do saga together. Get inside, man. Huh? Still waiting. Make all of you now when they do live video. Una will be women when they do live video. Wanna be mother, wanna get mother. Why ya be Katie Lawa? Katie, leave social media. If you don't have anything to say, you want to bring your mother on social media to be rubbishing your mother on social media every day. Kate, I will enter you now. You can't allow it, be. All the nonsense. Okay, you tired of all the nonsense? Yes. See that the when this girl Vivian this why you not chest Lovette? What's your man chest Lovette? We say Lovette ya we Monica. No be Lovette say police they find you. This is the problem they have. This is the problem. And all hoyamu. And no wa hoyamu. Monica is very easy to carry. What's your man ya mo John Lovette? Now only me one they carry Jolove put for shoulder. Iya Roshan. I'll use until they shot they go Jolove come. I want go drop you for pit. Now only me one they saga Jolove. Jolove go no say somebody sagara. He said evil talker. He said barrister saga. You don't let barrister saga you. Jolove saga. You said of you to saga Jolove. You leave Monica go they saga Monica. Now Monica, if you not mention Monica name, okay. If you mention Jolove name, you not go get view. Now Monica name, now you forgive you. You for try mention Jolove name, you go get view. Now truth I they tell you, my dear, you wicked be. You are too wicked. You are very wicked. You wicked be. Oh, ije. Ha. The time when I did Nigeria that time, and I made her in Nigeria again, may my mother so rest in perfect peace. Well, I said that Chinese weavon when they raid that time. Chinese weavon, why again me na yala that wet and wave. That wet and wave that year, you go bath put. You go bath put. You know the tango. Chinese weavon that they use until they do Lagos bridge. We are facing where I want face Lagos bridge. If you go salon, the officer. My one day now tell mama say, mama sit down, I want put this for your head, weavon. I know how to now arrive from Nigeria, now I learn how to fix weavon the combo, not be Europe. Now from Nigeria. Now my mother say, cause you know say our mother na Jericho now that they carry. Now put my mother say, I call mama say, oh, what is it? I can't weave mama hair. I can't fix the hair, put for mama. And mama say, he say he fine. He say, but you know go fit carry and hit it too much. I tell mama say yes, carry on. You know say our mother now Jericho now that they carry that year. If they carry Jericho, if they go market, they will carry Jericho. You walk, mama just get hair. Mama get hair where? Go do Jericho. I can't fix head, put for mama head. Now my junior brother come. My junior brother went in London say, hee, nukbo. Mama of it carry this one, say leave one. Mama carry am for 2 days. Mama said no, he no fit use her sleep. Me, I can't lose the hair. Oh. I can't lose her. So people in they bath their mama. I say we but what do I book it? Oh, yeah me. E woni agba origin yan lawa. As mama lawa to mama lawa we dey yan wa lawa. Why that ije me. I will say mama no die.